Hello everyone and welcome to my channel again, Vespa Fix and Fun, and this is a special episode continue from the COVID lockdown DIY your Vespa. Think positive, maybe this COVID lockdown is a good opportunity for you to start to fix your own Vespa in your garage. And today content is about the spark plug that's gonna be short or long thread. Which one is suit for you on your Vespa engine? Let's check it out. Okay, if you're new on your Vespa engines DIYer, you may have a question to yourself that your Vespa engine should use short thread spark plug or long thread. Which one is for you? And the answer is very easy. It depends on your piston kit or piston that you're running spec. Mostly if you run with the old PX, which is old style of the piston, and it's still factory piston head and also the barrel, it mostly I found that they use a short thread. Why? If you use a performance kit, most of them use a long thread. But in any way, please check carefully on your instruction manual on your engine or on your Vespa you are using, that what is spec of the spark plug is recommended. For example, I run with the DR kit. It's a DR135. It's a cylinder kit for the Vespa PX German series, PX.80, which is for German teenage to ride. It's written carefully on the instruction manual that they suggest to use the long thread. But honestly, the short thread is also possible to use. It can install, it can run, but the performance may not 100%. I'm going to show you. For example, this is the long thread type cylinder head Vespa engine PX. And this is a short thread. I'm going to install for you and see how it is. Okay, you can see I tied to the end and look inside the engine. You can see the tip top of the spark plug is not reach the maximum point, and you can see there are like a half thread left, which if you run the Vespa engine with this short thread spark plug, there will be a dark deposit here, the carbon that I just showed you from the previous clip. The engine can run, it can start, but the performance is not 100% because the ignition should be at the point that the manufacturer is designed for. I hope you understand. Sorry if I explained it unclear, but you can see how it is if the long thread design but use a short thread spark plug. And let's see if I use it according to the specification in manual. This is a long thread. This is a used one. I'm going to show you. See, it sits perfectly. This is what it's designed for, to ignition in the combustion chamber, and you will get 100% performance of your piston cylinder kit. And how about if you have the old design or factory piston head which use the short thread design for a short thread, and you install the long thread, so it's gonna be reach out of the combustion chamber here of the cylinder head, which could make your piston hit to the spark plug tip, and you can get a damage on your engine, such as a piston blowhole, because the heat also will deposit easier than normal from the heat, and your engine gonna have a problem. Not in the short run, but in the long run you will see the problem will happen. So I hope that this clip is useful content for you if you're new to Vespa PX or any large vintage frame or any vintage frame. And stay tuned in our channel. There's gonna be a lot of content for you next. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.